Hey everyone, welcome back. Today, we've got something super exciting to dive into, the brand new iPhone 15. Apple has raised the bar once again, and this latest release is packed with incredible features, cutting-edge technology, and a sleek new design that's turning heads. From the jaw-dropping Dynamic Island upgrade to the ultra-fast A17 Pro chip, and the introduction of the long-awaited USB-C port, there's a lot to unpack. Whether you're a tech enthusiast, a photographer, or just love staying up to date with the latest gadgets, this iPhone has something for everyone. So, stick around as we break down the top features, explore what makes the iPhone 15 different, and find out if it's worth the hype. Don't forget to hit that like button, subscribe for more awesome content, and let's dive right in. First off, let's talk about the stunning design. The iPhone 15 comes in two sizes, 6.1-inch and 6.7-inch Super Retina XDR displays, offering breathtaking visuals with vibrant colors and sharp details. Whether you're streaming your favorite shows or gaming, the display truly elevates the experience. And check this out, the aluminum body with a color-infused glass back not only looks sleek but feels premium in your hand. Apple has outdone themselves with this blend of durability and style. Now, for all the photography lovers out there, the iPhone 15 features an advanced dual camera system. You get a 48MP main camera and a 12MP ultra-wide lens, perfect for capturing super high-resolution shots at 24MP or 48MP+. The new next-generation portraits with focus and depth control give you professional-level shots every time. And did I mention the 4x optical zoom range? Whether you're shooting up close or from a distance, you'll never miss a detail. Apple's Dynamic Island makes a magical return, offering an interactive and seamless way to multitask and stay on top of notifications. It's intuitive and fun to use. Under the hood, the iPhone 15 is powered by the A16 Bionic chip with a 5-core GPU. This means lightning-fast performance, smooth gaming, and unparalleled efficiency. Plus, with up to 26 hours of video playback, this phone keeps up with your busy day. Safety is another big focus with the iPhone 15. Features like emergency SOS via satellite, crash detection, and roadside assistance via satellite make sure help is always just a tap away, even when you're off the grid. And for those moments you need to stay connected, messages via satellite has your back. Finally, Apple has heard us loud and clear. Welcome USB-C to the iPhone family. It's versatile, fast, and ready to sync seamlessly with your other devices. From its gorgeous design to its powerful features, the iPhone 15 is shaping up to be one of the most exciting smartphones of the year. Whether it's for work, play, or staying safe, it's got everything you need. What feature are you most excited about? Let me know in the comments below.